Hello everyone and thanks for joining. Today's build is a dining room table and chairs. Let's begin with the table by taking a 4x6 plate and placing the 4 1x6 tiles across the top. Flip the table over and attach the inverted 45-degree angle 4x2 double slope directly in the middle. Let's build our seating. Take a chair and place on top of a 2x2 plate, and we want to repeat that 3 additional times. Now take 4 1x1 studs and attach to the bottom of the chair. Again, repeat that 3 times. We're going to finish off by building our flowers and vase in step 3. Grab the green plant flower stem and attach a white flower to each of the 3 stems. Now place that on top of the translucent mini figurehead, and that concludes our build. Thanks for the support everyone. I enjoy bringing these custom LEGO creations, so if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future builds. Take care and happy building.